This is MindFrame, a trading journal that uses AI to tell you why you're losing, not just that you did. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to use it, logging your trade, getting your analysis, and finding the patterns that are actually costing you money. Let's go. All right, let's sign in. Here I'm using an email and my own password to sign in. You do have the option to sign in with Google. Here we've got the dashboard. On the left side, we have log trade, trade history, analysis, checklists, support, and the billing page. Let's navigate back to the dashboard. Okay, now from the dashboard, we're going to log a trade by selecting log a trade on the top hand right corner. Here on the log trade, we have the long or a short, and also we're going to enter a symbol as well as a setup type. I'm now going to enter an entry price and an exit price. Once the exit price is entered, I would then enter a stop loss. Once I've entered the stop loss, I will enter a trade date, a time of day, and a duration. Now here's the good part. We can now select an emotional state, an entry reason, a setup of the description, and then some post-trade notes. Now, one thing to note is that these four sections, including a checklist, are basically what the AI will be referring to. As you can see, now the checklist is being completed, and then we can save this trade. And there it is in your history. Click into it. And now the magic. Analyze this trade. Now let's select Get Analysis. Once the analysis is completed, you'll now see the Claude Analysis section. Single trades are useful, but the real power is patterns. Head to the analysis and run a pattern analysis. Let's read your last 10 trades together and find something that keeps repeating. Because one bad trade is a mistake, the same bad trade 5 times is a leak. This is the main event. Quick one. Checklists. Build your pre-trade rules here. Wait for confirmation. Risk no more than 1%, whatever your system is. The AI references these, so it can tell you when you break your own rules or when you're losing trades. The correlation is gold. And back to my favorite, the P&L calendar. Green days, red days at a glance. But here's the killer. Filter by symbol and look at this strip, your performance by day of the week. You might find you're constantly green on Mondays and bleeding every Wednesday. Click on any day to jump straight onto those trades. This is how you find out when you're actually making money. It's free to start. 3 AI analysis a month, no card. Pro unlocks unlimited analysis and P-trade checklist tracking. But you can get real value on the free plan today. That's MindFrame. Log your trades honestly, let the AI find your patterns, and stop making the same mistake twice. Links in the description. Go log your first trade. I'll see you in the next one.